Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany, Britannia718, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see weekly videos from me. Alright, so today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the length, L-E-N-F-F, of my hair. Before I get into that, a lot of people ask me how long do I want to grow my hair to. Right now, it's almost like completely team butt crack. So you guys know that was like initially my goal, team butt crack. But right now I think I wanted to like hit my hips. Like, well, you see how my hair is right here? Yeah, I think I want the front of it to at least hit my hips. So however long that is, I'm gonna get to that length. And if I'm comfortable with it, then I'm just gonna keep going, you know? Like, I'm in no rush to cut my hair, so we'll see. So I section off the front part of my hair from ear to ear on both sides. This section of my hair, I know is the length is a little different than the rest of it. So I'm gonna give you guys each side, and then from the crown to the longest lock in the back, and see what that is. So from the middle of my head to the longest piece in this section, which is like right below my boobs, we're looking at 25, almost 25 and a half inches. Let's check the other side. Also, yeah, 25 and a half. So I have the measuring tape in the middle of my head. Alrighty, so from the top of my crown to like the middle of my butt, it's 32 inches. And my hair, as you guys can tell, is a little wavy, so it's not super bone straight, so I'm cool. This is what I'm working with so far. And get it. Hey. Oh. So yeah, I just want to keep going. Like, I want to keep going till, like I said, till y'all can't see the front of my hair in the camera. Boom. So there you have it, guys, and that's how long my hair is. Team 32. And 3, 2, 3, 2. I broke this finger years ago. So if I look a little delayed switching my fingers, that's why. Don't judge me. Please let me know in the comments below how long your hair is and what your goal length is. Anywho, you guys know what to do. Thumbs up this video, share with your mama and them, subscribe if you're not subscribed. You guys know where to find me. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I already told y'all, Snapchat. They're fired. So for now, Instagram is the way to go. Anywho, guys, I'll see you guys soon. Later.